Hazrat Ikrimah reports that Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu was asked about Hajj Tamattu. So he said, the immigrants, the Ansars and the Prophet's wives, as well as we put on the ihram on the occasion of the farewell pilgrimage. When we reached Makkah Mukarramah, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, convert your ihram for Hajj into that for Umrah, except the one who has garlanded the sacrificial animal. We made circuit of Allah's house, marched between Safa and Marwa, approached our wives and wore the clothes. He said, whosoever has garlanded the sacrificial animal should not take off ihram until the sacrificial animal reaches its destination. Then in the evening of Eid Sul-Hajj, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked us to wear the ihram for Hajj. When we had performed the rites of pilgrimage, we made circuit of Allah's house and marched between Safa and Marwa. Our Hajj got completed and we owed sacrifice as Allah the Exalted has said. Whosoever affords sacrifice then whose cannot afford, he should observe fast for 3 days during Hajj and 7 days after when he returned home. Surah Al-Baqarah verse 196. A nanny goat is sufficient. The people combined 2 acts of worship, the Hajj and Umrah, in 1 year. Allah the Exalted has mentioned it in His book, and His Prophet ﷺ declared it His practice and made it permissible for the people other than the inhabitants of Makkah, as Allah the Exalted says. This command is for him who does not dwell near Masjid Haram. Surah Al-Baqarah verse 196. And the months of Hajj are those which Allah the Exalted has mentioned in His book, Shawwal, Zulqad and Zulhajj. Whosoever combines Hajj and Umrah during these months is bound to give sacrifice to keep fast. And Rafasu means copulation, Fusuq means sin, and Jidal means quarrel. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1572.